Hello everyone. My name is Linda Gunner. I am the CEO and founder of Linda's Perfection Creations. Linda's Perfection Creations is an event planning and wedding decor company. We cater to small and large events in and around Philadelphia area. We do full service, partial, month of coordinations, custom events. We do milestone celebrations. We do home staging. We do decor. So pretty much anything that need planning and decor, we handle it all. So if you're selling your home to prospective buyer and you just want to tweak it up and make it look great, we do that as well. I am a certified master certified wedding planner and a certified florist. I have over plans those 10 plus years. Oh my God, I cannot talk tonight in the wedding industry. Um, I the word by myself that I can say. Well, I'm tired. No, on a serious note, is it's a lot. I'm emotional and I'm tired. On Saturday I'm gonna be laying my brother to rest. So it's like on top of that I'm doing weddings. I'm doing events. So I have wedding this weekend, next weekend. Pretty much I have wedding every single weekend of this month except so it's been crazy and then October coming to the same thing. So dealing with the loss and then having to still push forward and go. And like I said, I'm going to keep sharing with you guys the good, the bad, the ugly, the sad, and everything because it's life. As you talk to people, you want to get to know them, let them get to know a part of you as well. Um, so I'm trying to work, and then the toughest part is that you have to plan your own brother funeral, and it's not easy to do. And also decor, that's kind of hard. Um, but I hope I do a good job. And it's easy to do something when it's for strangers, but when it's something like that, it's a lot of anxiety that comes to you. So, and that's another thing I do. I do, go in there with service. So pretty much, like I said, anything that needs playing in the decor, we do it all. So, um, I'm gonna explain a quick story to you, something that kind of cheer up my day today. And I'm going to switch gears on a little bit for things tonight. So today was funny. I went into a flower store, a wholesale flower to get flowers. As I said, I'm decorating for an event. So I went into the event. A lady came by accident because she was looking for a florist to cheer up a loved one who was not feeling too well. So I'm in there running around doing my thing, and she came. I'm like, well, I don't know, but let me ask them. So it's crazy. That I went up to the guy, and this florist store is really good. I mean, wholesaler, they are the go-to place. I admire it. It is amazing. Um, so he turned to them. He said, "Well, you here? We don't normally do it, but you here? We can pick the flowers and you can just do the decor." So I just laughed. But in anything, I did like two arrangement for her, and it was really lovely and it was nice. And she was really happy and just excited at the same time because she actually got to see hands on first and actually creating her arrangement in the front of her face as we were doing these arrangement, the flowers, and she was happy. And that's some of the things that make my day because it's like I wasn't expecting to do that. I just went there to pick up my flowers and go home. But sometimes you see people and you see things. I could have said, now, you know what? I don't want to do it. They don't sell flowers. She can just go to the next place, go to a flower shop and do it. But, I did what I had to do. So, okay. But that was something I just decided to share with you guys. And the crazy part is that after I did the flowers arrangement for her, she was like, hey, do you do what kind of stuff do you do? I'm like, I do a little bit of everything. She said, well, I just got engaged and I'm getting married. So she went in for flowers just to brighten someone else's day. I did that for nothing. Just, I didn't charge her. She just bought her flowers and I did it real quick for her. And I got a contract. So excited about that. So I'm gonna switch gears a little bit tonight because I feel like ladies, we know weddings about us, and we happy, we excited, and we do a lot of things. So tonight I'm just gonna talk about with gentlemen a little bit, just give something for them because we're not the only one that look for stuff. Men, they may not search for things, but there's something you can show your spouse. Hey, you know what? I was looking and I saw that. So I'm just going to talk about suits, the essential suit style for 2022. I know the year is coming to an end, and so many things that that coming up right now, and that way you can do it for your groom and something like that. So I'm going to talk about the winter look, and then I'm going to talk about suits in general. So we have right now the tweed is in. The tweed suit, slim fit, are in for the winter because as the winter time is a little warmer, so you need, and those are so you from the Mouse London slim fit. You want to go down from the Ralph Lauren silk wool tweed and the jacket, and so those are most in. And for the most dipper, you want to do like the 3 piece two herringberry suit, and then on top of that, you want to do the Curtis Men Brown tweed suit. They said, and the expert said those suits brown is in for the winter. It's in the color, the fall, the spring. Those colors are really beautiful. And who doesn't like blue? It goes nice with everything. And and then from there you can add like a tailor fit suit tweed, like the light blue, the walnut. You want to also do the winter peak double breast. So double breasted, you want to do another the 3 piece suits from the hackery brown to the wool tweed. So there's a lot of style, and the fuchsia, navy blue. What else did I miss? The London musk sage tweed. Um, and then also you got the studio fit, and from there, don't forget the underbeam layer tweed, and then also you want to do the light tweed blue. So those are the colors and styles that in, especially the tweed for winners. And then from there you want to talk about, I said we're going to talk about the top, some the trend um that most people are summer and fall suit, that most their five essential suit that I think that is really every wedding should need, that people should do. So for one, the whole Hollywood inspired suit, those that black with the lapel, there's just something about that, it's just okay. So you can do your black toes very long and it will gold stain style, and that 1940s and the 1950s suits look, how when you walk in a room you just like, oh my god. And on top of that, there's nothing like a man well dressed in a suit. I don't know about you ladies, but when I see a man dressed in a suit, it just well put together. It looks amazing. I don't care who you are, what size you are. Like it looks amazing to see a man well dressed in a suit, well fit, especially a tailor fit suit. It is amazing. Okay, and then the 3 piece. 3 piece suit is also that's is my go-to. If you don't want to do the Hollywood star, the 3 piece is really nice. You can come in different color, different style, and this is for at this point it's like it look that polished look, to give it that, and you can add on with accessories and things. And then also you want to go to the luxe fabric, that fine shiny, from the wool to, especially like for now that the weather is getting cold colder, like I said, the wool, the tweed, those are things that kind of look nice because the fabric is different. You don't want to go to a summer suit or a winter wedding. You might be freezing your butt off in your wedding. I don't care where you are, you might be cold. But then, and then on top of that, precise tailoring. When a custom makes, even if you just don't can afford a custom made suit, go to a tailor or go to a bridal shop where they can tailor fit or customize your suit to fit sharp and fit the way you alter it. Even if you go to a store and buy a suit, when they alter your suit to fit you and your style, it looks amazing. So, ladies, you are not the only one to make. Go there and get your measurement. If you buy a suit from whether from Brooks Brothers, whether it's from Men Warehouse, for people who go to K&G, um, from Macy's to Nordstrom, the list goes on and on. And it don't have to, but when you custom make or tailor fit your suit to right size, where every pleat, every edge, every crease looks good. You want to see your wedding day. It's not only about the ladies, gentlemen. You want to shine on your day, and then you want to your accessory. Do not forget your accessory. From your pocket square to your brooch pin to your make sure your lapel add as a you want to add that pocket square to make it. From your socks, don't forget your socks. That's your shoes, and you want to make sure whether you are getting slim fit custom, you want to add on your accessories on. Do what if you're having some glasses or some hat, whatever you want to add. It's not only about the ladies. You can have the best suit from your tie or bow tie, everything from head to toe. you want to. And if you choose to wear socks, fine. If you choose, right now some gentlemen's wearing things without socks, and that's okay. It is in style. You want to custom made it to them though. You want to have fun and picture ready on your day that when people look at you, they be like, wow. You don't want your girl, dressed down to a T and you just looking like whatever, like you just came out of. But get yourself the ready. Get There's a lot of custom made suits. There's a lot of vendors out here that got some beautiful and suits that will look so. If you don't know, you can ask your boutique. They know, like I say, you can go to all these stores, name brand store, non-name brand stores, and you can always find a tailor, a custom made tailor who can alter the fix to you. But that is all for today. My name is Linda Gunno. I am the CEO and founder of Linda's Perfection Creation. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Once again, thank you for watching and have an amazing day. Um, Follow on Linda's Perfection Creations events.com, and don't forget to like and subscribe.